I've got the smallest of the Cricut Easy Press 2 here, and I'm going to show you how it works. Now, my very favorite thing about the Easy Press 2 is that there is a quick interactive guide online that you can use to find out exactly what the temperature needs to be, whether you should warm peel or cold peel, and everything you need to know when applying vinyl using the Cricut Easy Press 2. So I've already got that pulled up. My vinyl is the everyday vinyl, and I am going to put it on some socks. How fun is that? And I know because of the tag that the socks are polyester. So I've already put that into the interactive guide, and it says to set the temp to 315. So I'm going to turn on my Easy Press 2. I'm going to click on temperature and increase that to 315. And I need to preheat for 5 seconds and then apply gentle pressure for 30 seconds, which is what it's set for. Flip material and press for 15 seconds and then a peel warm. Okay, so I know exactly what I need to do. There is no guesswork. So while this is heating up, I'm going to prep my project. I'm going to take this tag off of my socks. And we are going to we'll just do the gray ones, just to make sure that you can see it on camera. Okay, get rid of our trash. So here's our socks. Get rid of all those little plastic tags. Now, previously I created this little cardboard guide to put into my socks. I basically just traced my foot. Now, if you wanted, you could do 2 of these, but I just did 1 and figured I could turn it to make it a left foot or a right foot. And the vinyl that we are putting on the socks, on one foot, it's going to say, I don't. And on the other, it's going to say, wanna, because this is like my motto, especially on Sunday mornings. I don't wanna anything on Sunday mornings. So I'm gonna slip this sock over my cardboard guide, and this is basically just to kind of help stretch the sock out like it would be naturally if it was on my foot. Okay, and I'm gonna turn it over so I've got the heel. We heard our machine beep. So I'm going to preheat for 5 seconds, and I can start the timer if I want to, and in fact I will, just so you can see. But we're not doing the full 30 seconds, we're only doing 5 seconds. Okay, so we're doing 5 seconds. I'm going to grab the I don't, and we're going to start at the toe. Kind of flatten that heel out a little bit and go right down the center of the bottom of the sock. Okay, just like that. Now this is when we're going to do the 30 seconds. Okay, so we're going to put this on, start it by hitting the green button and just apply some light pressure. So I'm just pushing down a little bit with my hand, nothing too hard, really very simple. I've got the timer countdown here on the screen so I can watch and know exactly how much time I have left. And this machine is so light. The size of this heat press is 6 by 7. So this heat press is great for small projects, and it really is super duper light. See, way light. And I love that they all come with their own little tray. Okay. So this one, I'm supposed to do the other side for 15 seconds. So I'm just going to take out the guide now that it's stretched out a little bit. Okay, and we're going to do the other side. I've got the mat, so that'll help transfer that heat to the other side. And we're going to do 15 seconds from this side. Again, I can watch my countdown timer there. So I know I'm going to 15. And that is 15. Okay, and it said a warm peel. So I'm going to kind of just lightly cool it. just by shaking it. And then you're gonna peel that off, and look at how great that comes off. Doo-doo-doo. I don't. Isn't that fun? Okay, let's do the other sock. Okay, this time we're going to flip so it becomes the other foot. Not that it really matters, but because most socks really, well, all socks really fit each foot. Push that down. See, isn't this easy? Great for a small project, and I just think this is such a fun like little gift idea. Okay, so we're gonna preheat for 5 seconds again. So we're gonna place that down, start our timer. We can watch it go down to 5 seconds. Just a quick little warm up. I'm gonna place the wanna on there. I don't wanna. So then when you're sitting down in your recliner watching TV and your feet are up, you don't even have to tell your kids that you're not getting up to make breakfast because your socks are already saying it. I don't wanna. Okay, so now we're gonna do the full 30. So we're gonna start the timer by hitting that green button. And again, we're just applying light pressure here, just pushing a little bit down with my arm. But I'm not like, you know, just a little bit with my arm. Really very light pressure for that vinyl. On our cute little fuzzy socks. Who doesn't love fuzzy socks? I live in fuzzy socks. Especially on Sunday mornings, because I don't wanna. Okay, so our timer went off. We're gonna remove our little cardboard foot. Ooh, it's warm. And turn that over. Go 15 more seconds. And then our pair of socks will be all ready to go for Sunday morning. Okay, 15 seconds. I'm gonna cool those off just a little bit, just so I can handle them a little bit better. Okay, we're gonna peel off the backing sheet. I don't wanna. Look at how cute those are. I don't wanna. And we have our socks. Okay, so that is our first project with the small Cricut Easy Press 2. Now another great thing about all the Easy Presses is they have this little cooling tray here. So you don't have to worry about setting this hot surface down like on your countertop or anything like that. It has its own little tray here. And it's great for keeping the temperature as it needs to be when you're getting ready to use it, or also cooling it down once you turn it off. So it's a great little cradle or holder there.